Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the Zangetsu sword. Begin by selecting a sturdy yet lightweight material for your blade, such as a 1/4 inch thick PVC foam sheet, measuring about 55 inches long and 12 inches wide. You will also need essential tools like a sharp utility knife, various grits of sandpaper from 80 to 220, and a reliable straight edge. Do not forget your black, silver, and red acrylic paints, along with a strong, fast-drying adhesive. Next, carefully transfer the distinct Zangetsu blade design onto your chosen material. Use several reference images to accurately capture the broad, cleaver-like shape, ensuring proper scale. Precisely cut along your drawn lines using a sharp utility knife, taking your time to achieve clean edges. Once cut, sand all the edges and surfaces thoroughly, starting with A-toe grit paper, then moving to 120 for a smooth, even finish. This creates a solid base for painting. Now construct the handle and tsuba, which is the handguard. Cut 2 pieces of 1/2 inch thick PVC foam for the handle, each about 12 inches long, then glue them around the blade's tang for a secure grip. For the tsuba, cut a 4 inch by 6 inch rectangle from a 1/4 inch foam piece, making sure to carve a slot for the blade. Securely attach both the handle and the tsuba with a strong, permanent adhesive, allowing ample time for it to cure completely. This stage brings your sword to life with color and texture. Begin by applying 2 thin, even coats of black acrylic paint across the entire blade and the tsuba, letting each coat dry thoroughly. Next, carefully paint the blade's edge with silver acrylic to achieve a realistic, sharpened look. Finally, wrap the handle tightly and neatly with your white fabric strip, securing both ends with adhesive. This provides the distinct, authentic appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.